Welcome friends, in today's digital solution tutorial, we shall learn how to resolve SIM card not registered on network in Samsung Mobile. In order to resolve this issue, please follow the following steps. Step 1. Please check whether the SIM card is properly inserted into the slot provided in the mobile. After finishing this, please go to step 2. Please check whether the SIM card is active or not. For this, go to mobile setting, tap on connection, tap on SIM card manager. If you see against SIM 2 the toggle is on, it means the SIM card is active. After finishing this, go back and go to step 3. Please check the data roaming toggle is on or not. Why it is required to check the data roaming toggle is on? Sometimes when we are on roaming and if we cross the home network domain, then the SIM card will not function or recognize the network. Hence, it is required for us to keep the data roaming toggle is on. For this, tap on mobile network, and if you see data roaming toggle is off, so turn it on. After setting this, go to step 4 and go back, tap on mobile network. It is always required to select the correct network. I am using 4G network, so I must see that the network mode is selected as 4G. For this, tap on network mode and select the first option which supports 4G. After this, go to step 5. In this, please reset the APN setting to default. Tap on access point name. There you will find 3 dotted grid and rightmost top corner of the screen. Tap on it. Then system will display you reset to default. Tap on it. Then system will prompt reset APN setting. Tap on reset. Then system will reset APN setting to default. Go back. Now go to step 6. Here you have to select the correct network operator. For this, tap on network operator. Here you will find select automatically toggle is on. Now tap on select automatically setting. Then system will prompt you select a network manually. Tap on OK button. Then system will select all the networks available in your area where you are living. Since I am using Jio 4G operator, so I will select the first option. Now your SIM is registered on 4G network, Jio 4G network. This is how you can set your SIM registered on network. Even if after the SIM is not registered on network, you can try another option. For this, go back to the main setting menu and scroll down until you see there is one option general management. Tap on it. There is one option reset. Tap on it. Then system will display you different options here. Then tap on reset network setting. Then system will prompt you. This will reset all network setting, that is Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Tap on reset settings. Then system will again display you all network setting will be reset. Tap on it. Then the system will reset the networks. This is how you can register your SIM on network. Now go back, go to home. Still, if the problem persists, then I'll show you 2 more options under step 8 and 9. Now you please swipe from top of the mobile. You will be displayed different icons here. Now you put your mobile on flight mode. Tap on it. After activating flight mode, all network will disconnected. After some time, you deactivate flight mode option. Then system automatically picks up the network. This is how you can resolve your issue, but still the problem persists. Then under step 9, I'll explain you. Please turn off your mobile. Then all the processes which are running at background will get killed. After few seconds, you please switch on the mobile. When you switch on, the mobile gets rebooted and the network will get selected automatically. This is how you can resolve the SIM card registration on network. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family members and colleagues. Thank you.